The song is called Be Great Actors. And it's for everyone we hate. There has never been such a group of fakers. It's horrible, it's despicable, and it's true. At your best, you're all just B-movie makers. At your best, a long, long time ago. You are all B-movie makers with your homemade scripts and actors, all in misery. All in all, you've always been quite friendly. In the end, you know that you will have to go. Time again, you will tell that joke forever. So in the end, you'll never need to know. You are all B-movie makers with your homemade scripts and actors, all in misery. Sorrow bunch of B-grade actors, bit-pop players, and cheap extras, falling on their knees. Your wine glasses half empty full. Your afternoon, it's in a shambles. Your wine glasses half empty full. Your afternoon, it's in a shambles. In a shambles. You are all B-movie makers with your homemade scripts and actors, all in misery. Saw a bunch of B-grade